So, hi! Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade your skin tone dito sa Lightroom. So, actually, sobrang bilis lang niya, but kailangan mo talaga siyang kalikutin ng kalikutin. Simulan na natin. So, as you can see naman dito sa photo natin, inedit ko na yung ating basic, yung ating tone curve. So, para mas mapabilis lang yung tutorial natin. So, baba ka lang ng konti. As you can see naman, as I zoom in dito sa photo, medyo madilaw yung kutis niya. Sobrang dilaw talaga. So, for this one, we're going to U. As you can see, meron tayo ditong target tool dito sa baba. Pag yung cursor mo is tinapat mo dun sa certain part ng photo, yun yung kulay nung kakalabasan niya. For example, yung skin tone kasi natin is usually madilaw talaga yan or nasa orange na part. So, as you scroll down, pag papaba yung hila mo, so, magre-red siya, tapos pag pataas naman siya, as you can see, magdidilaw siya or magi-green siya. So, ganun basically lang yung nagagawa nung ating U tab or yung ating HSL. So, pwede mo naman gamitin yan, but for this one, ay hindi ko siya gagamitin. For this one, we're just going to drag down the orange papunta sa pababa, also the yellow, and also the reds. So, yeah. Actually, medyo mapula pa siya, medyo madilaw-dilaw pa siya ng konti. So, yeah. Just be careful lang na wag mo siyang sosobrahan kasi magmumukha na siyang umpa-lumpa. So, yun nga. So, babawasan natin yung ating saturation and also our reds, our yellows. And dagdagan natin ng konting reds for a photo. Tapos yung luminance naman, yung ginagawa naman niya is like pinapalinaw niya or pinapa-brighten up niya yung colors nung certain part ng photo. So, as you can see, while I drag up, mas nagba-brighten up yung photo. So, zoom out lang natin. We could just like see the before and after. Ito yung before natin, then ito yung after natin. As you can see naman, the difference of the photo is like sobrang layo talaga. As you can see, ito medyo natural looking na yung skin tone niya. Ito yung before, ito yung after. Actually, dinuplicate ko yung photo for this one. Meron pa tayong isang technique to color grade your photo, yung pag-aayos ng skin tone. So, pwede mo naman siya i-click as auto. As you can see, mas malapit na yung color. So, pwede ulit natin i-adjust. Baba ulit tayo, punta ulit tayo ng U. Babaan natin ng konti yung ating orange and also our yellow. Taasan natin ng konti yung ating reds. Tapos, desat tayo ng konti sa orange. Konting-konti lang kasi pag binabaan mo na yan, di mo makikita mo parang patay na yung kulay. So yeah, babaan mo lang. We could just like add a little bit saturation and also tataasan natin yung luminance to brighten up the photo. So as you can see, ito yung before and after natin. Before and after, di ba? Mas nag-natural looking yung photo natin or yung naging natural yung ating skin tone. Compare natin siya dun sa last photo. So as you can see, ito yung ating dito sa left side, ito yung ating may auto white balance or in-adjust lang natin yung auto white balance. And this one is like yung in-adjust lang natin yung HSL. Let me know in the comment down below kung ano yung mas gusto mo or ano yung technique na gusto mo pang malaman about this Lightroom editing. So, we could just go to the next photo. Ito kasi, pwede mo rin gamitin dito yung, papakita ko sa inyo pag in-auto white balance mo siya. Actually kasi, may times talaga na pag kinilik mo yung auto white balance, hindi siya accurate. So, that one, we could just like go to, i-reset natin siya. Then, as you can see naman, yung kanyang skin tone is medyo mapula-pula ng konti. Baba ulit tayo, punta tayo ng ating HSL panel. Baba tayo dito, tapos dagdagan natin ng reds. Kasi pag pinulaw natin yung reds, mag-yellowy siya. So, mag-orange siya, sorry. So, tataasan natin siya ng konti. Also, the orange and the yellows. Dagdagan pa natin ng konti kasi medyo madilaw pa to. So, for the next one, we could just go to the saturation. Babaan ulit natin yung ating orange and yellows. Also, the reds. Yan. So, let's go to the next one, the luminance tab. Adjust lang natin yung ating photo and as you can see naman, ito yung before and after. Oh, medyo madilaw pala yung sobra yung dilaw natin. Yan. Ano lang to, adjust lang, kalikot ka lang. Once na ma-perfect mo yung skin tone, promise, sobrang ganun yung vibe. So, ito yung before and after nung ating editing. As you can see, ito medyo saturated yung color ng ating skin tone ng ating model. Then after editing the HSL panel, mas nagmukha siyang natural tingnan, di ba? So let's go to the last photo. For this photo, as you can see naman, medyo pale yung kulay niya, medyo madilaw. So balik ulit tayo sa HSL panel. For this one, ida-drag up natin yung ating orange. The-drag down pala natin yung ating orange para magkaroon lang siya ng kulay. Also our yellows, kasi nakita mo yung part ng baba ng mata niya, medyo madilaw-dilaw siya ng konti. So you could just like pull it down and also bring up a little bit reds. So let's go to the saturation. For this one, hindi tayo magbabawas but magdadagdag tayo. Magdadagdag tayo ng konting kulay para mabuhay naman yung skin tone niya, di ba? So let's go to the luminance tab. Dagdag lang tayo para mag-brighten up yung skin tone niya. So as you can see, as we edit our photo dito sa HSL panel, ang laking difference from the photo na yung before natin is like super pale nung color, and after editing it, it's medyo naging accurate or mas maganda na yung skin tone natin. So, that's it kaibigan. I hope may natutunan ka dito sa tutorial na to. Let me know in the comment down below kung may questions ka or concern ka about editing your photo dito sa pag-aayos ng skin tone. Basta ang mahalaga lang, kalikot-kalikutin mo lang yung settings, yung ating red, orange, and yellow. Galaw-galawin mo lang yan, tapos desat, dagdag ng luminance, desat, dagdag ng luminance. Ganun lang. So, practice lang tayo ng practice. Mamamaster mo naman yung pagkukulay ng skin tone dito sa Lightroom. So, yeah, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe. And yeah, so I would see you guys next week. Ano ginawa ko doon? Peace out.